How to refinance OneMain Financial loan. OneMain Financial is a U.S. company that provides personal loans, both secured and unsecured, mainly to people with less than perfect credit. It operates through over 1,300 branches and online. Calculate your new loan total. Include any fees like prepayment penalties on your current loan and origination fees on the new loan. Check your credit. A higher credit score since your original loan might qualify you for a lower interest rate. Prepare documents. Gather proof of identity, residence, income, and Social Security card. Make sure your previous loan is fully paid and the account is closed, and get a paid in full letter. That's it. Thanks for watching.